check some more.
So here we are again. We have got it finished, I think. I think that's looking okay. Relatively okay anyway, close enough. And I think what we're going to do now is we're going to go over it with a little bit of yellow. And let it sit and hopefully dry. And come back and give it more until we get the right colour. Okay, here we are again. First coat done and is dry, so I think we can go ahead with the second coat. So that is coat 2. Here we are again. So we're on for another coat of the paint. So here we are again, and this is coat number 4, I think. So, here we are, the finished article. It's painted, it looks certainly okay for the job that it's going to do. So there, as you can see, we have it all ready to go. So that's it, the painting is finished. That's us done with the painting of the chassis leg extension. So now we can get back to bolting it back together again. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next episode we should see it getting bolted back to the car.